Hello and welcome to Jay's Informative Corner. It's your boy Jay, your host. This week we're covering the Sixth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution is a part of the United States Bill of Rights that sets forth rights related to criminal prosecutions. Introduced on September 5th, 1789 and voted for by 9 of 12 states on December 15th, 1791. The Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution is the section of the Bill of Rights that guarantees a citizen a speedy trial, a fair jury, an attorney if the accused person wants one, and the chance to confront the witness who is accusing the defendant of a crime, meaning he or she can see who is making the accusations against them. To clear any confusion anyone may have about this amendment or to answer any questions, we're going to break it down by line to give a better understanding of this amendment. The Sixth Amendment grants all defendants in criminal prosecution cases the right to a speedy and public trial, meaning that the country or state cannot make the accused sit in jail for a long period of time awaiting a trial. This would be unfair for someone innocent being charged of a crime they did not commit. The accused person also has the right to a public trial for fairness of the accused. Granted by the Sixth Amendment, the accused also has the right to an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, meaning that the jurors cannot be prejudiced or biased against the accused individual or the specific crime that the individual was accused of, or it would be unfair to the accused. The trial also must be held in an area where the crime took place or will be unfair as well. Also granted under the Sixth Amendment, the accused has the right to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witness against him. The accused person has the right to find out what they are being charged with exactly and why they are being held in jail. The accused person also has the right to learn who is claiming that they committed the crime, along with the right to ask questions regarding the crime. Also granted under the Sixth Amendment is the right to have a compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in the accused's favor, and to have assistance of counsel for his defense. The person, the accused, has the right to make anyone attend their trial if they believe that person can help them with their case. The court can also force a person to come to court by using a summons, which means the person will not have any choice in the matter and must attend the trial or face criminal persecution of their own. Also, the accused person has the right to hire an attorney. If he or she cannot afford an attorney, the court must provide one for them. Thanks guys for tuning in to Jay's Informative Corner. It was a pleasure informing you guys about the Sixth Amendment. Guys, it is super imperative that we know our rights. Know your rights, guys, because the Sixth Amendment grants numerous rights under the Bill of Rights and the United States Constitution. So if you ever happen to find yourself on the wrong side of the law, it is imperative that you know your rights, especially when you're facing criminal prosecution in a court of law. The Sixth Amendment sets forth rules and regulations for which the court can process your trial and your case and sentence you to your punishment, basically. So under the Sixth Amendment, you're granted a quick and speedy trial, an impartial jury, and you're also able to confront your accuser, and you're entitled to an attorney to defend your case, your trial in the court of law. So for those of you out there that may find themselves arrested, know that you cannot be kept in jail for a long period of time without being seen for your trial. It's against the law. Also, that you are entitled to a jury that's impartial, that no one is biased against you or the crime that you committed, has any prejudices against you or the crime that you committed, and also that you are entitled to confront your accuser, which means you can question them, know exactly who's accusing you, and you can build your defense case against them properly because you know who's accusing you. And finally, lastly, the most important thing of all, because not everybody is aware of their rights, the laws, and so on and so forth, you're entitled to an attorney under the Sixth Amendment. So be sure to ask for one if you find yourself on the wrong end of the law. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. Next week, we'll cover the Seventh Amendment. Have a good day. Definitely tune in next week. Jay's Informative Corner is turning up with the 7th Amendment. We look forward to informing you guys, keeping you guys abreast of all things law. So stay tuned. Jay, out.